Hello friends, this is Dr. Kunal Banka, your favorite dentist and author of the book 30 Days Challenge, Live the Magical Life, which has gone on to become one of the best-selling books on Amazon. Well, most of you must be wondering that how is it that you read my books and I don't read yours? Trust me guys, everybody has this potential to reach the greatness, to reach the Mount Everest. But thing is, you have to realize your potential and you have to rise to the occasion. Well, so many people must be wondering, what is my story? Where do I come from? Where does this Dr. Kunal Banka come from? Well, I come from a very humble beginnings. I was never born with a silver spoon. My father was a government officer and we had very meager provisions for everything in life. And I never thought I'll become a dentist and a writer. But this is how the fate played out. I wanted to be good, I wanted to be the best. But being a dentist was by chance. You can call it by chance. And then when I became a dentist, being a good dentist was really important for me. And I tried to do that. And slowly, by God's grace, I got a lot of good company, a lot of peers who are really better than me, and I kept on learning from them. I met a lot of seniors who are amazing clinicians. I kept on learning. I'm still learning. And then I was able to deliver quality treatment. And then, so one fine day I got inspired to write a book, 30 Days Challenge, Live the Magical Life. I thought, why not share what all motivated me to reach the perfection. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but yes, perfection is a journey. And I'm happy to say that at least I'm on that journey. Mistakes may happen, treatments may not go right. Some of my books may not be liked by many people, but it's a part of journey. If you get applause, you get criticism as well. You have to take it in your stride. And that's how I came in front of you. That's how you came to know me. And it's my constant endeavor that I keep on doing good work for you all, and I keep giving good material to all of you. So guys, I'll talk about a bit more about my story in the future videos. I'll see you till then.